How to convert Word document to JPG document. If any day you are just Word document user and in your mobile phone you would like to convert your Word document to the JPG document, and your mobile phone may be an Android phone or an iOS phone but you would like to do it, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch Google Chrome on your mobile device. After that, in the search icon, you have to search Word document to the JPG document. After tapping Word document to JPG document, you can see the interface like this. Now, after you search like this, you have to go to the option of Word document to JPG document. Now, here you can see the option of the Word, convert Word to the JPG online for free in the smallpdf.com. You have to tap on it. After tapping on it, now here you have to just skip on your Word document by tapping on this option like this. After you keep on your very Word document, what you can do is you can go to the option of convert it to the JPG, and this way your very Word document will be converted to JPG in here. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.